Hi guys.
I'm Biidi.
I'm Benjamin.
This is week 18 abroad.
Road trip in Arizona and Utah.
Good morning from Paige. This is a very normal motel breakfast. We have some waffles, yogurt, muesli bar, coffee, cornflakes, and Benjamin. And me. And I look very tired. And that's because I am very tired. At many motels, breakfast is included in the price. It's located literally next to a gas station. Just entered the road, Lees Ferry. Pretty cool place here. Quite a view we have ourselves today on this hike. I think it's about a 7-kilometer round trip from the parking lot. Should have amazing views. Already have a pretty decent one, so we'll see. So quiet and peaceful. Literally not a sound. Yay! And as you might be able to hear, we both still have a cold. We just reached the summit, as you might be able to hear my breathing. Look at this. Yeah, you have Paige right over there. This is unreal. Unreal to be experiencing this. Even though we both sounding like we're about to die, definitely worth every second we haven't been able to breathe.
It's been one of those weeks that seems like the sky has been falling down.
And after about 2 hours hike, we're back at the car in a few minutes with the absolute most amazing view.
New day, new lunch spot. What do you think of this one?
It's not the best, but just kidding, it's absolutely amazing. It's fantastic.
It's awesome. Look at this.
You might recognize this exact spot from our newly uploaded PCT video.
Thank God for grandmas, and thank God for Sunday afternoons, for the love songs we put on.
Once again, outstanding view. Wow.
Saw a condor flying just above our heads. Like, got a bit of video of it, so but it was so huge. I think its wingspan about 3 meters.
Howdy! And we're now doing the tourist trap with the rest of the tourists. Horseshoe Bend. There's quite a few people here. Some might say this is kind of overrated. I think it's pretty cool though. It's just a 2.4 round trip from the parking lot. I'd say it's worth it. $10? Nah, not that bad. Over to the right you can see Glen Canyon Dam. And right in front of me is Lake Powell. And another very, very incredible view. And a Benjamin taking photos. An inevitable part of a road trip, unless you have an electric car, is getting gas, and quite a lot of it. And now we're on our way to Grand Canyon National Park.
Last national park of this road trip.
Oh, that's kind of weird.
Broken, feeling blue, you're right there to pull me through. I feel brand new. All I am
a lot of other places on this road trip. There is some scenic viewpoints along the way to the south rim entrance of Grand Canyon, and we just stopped at one of them. So let's see how it is. We just arrived at the viewpoint. It's pretty awesome. We are on our way to our first overlook over the Grand Canyon. Down, down, down. I'm a little bit more excited than Benjamin. He's been here before. I have not.
Okay, 'cause you take me either way. As long as you ride me fine, I can make it. Every time you're near,
And we're here at Navajo Point in Grand Canyon. We have the watchtower just all the way here in the back.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
I'm a little bit surprised that there is a 40-minute drive from the entrance to where we are parking our car so we can start a hike to Ooh Aah Point.
come rain or shine. All I am is okay, 'cause you take me.
We managed to find a parking spot, and now we're taking the orange shuttle bus towards Kaibab Trail, and the bus isn't orange, it's just called Orange Route. Beginner mistake on my part.
I turn my soul inside out. I'm wondering why all the stress is what we're all about. Playing games in my mind.
So we're here at
Ooh, Point.
Or you or me. Singing out.
Quite the hike up.
very steep.
Oh, you can do it. Almost there. You too.
Let me see our view from up on high. Let me know whatever's on your mind. Oh.
There is no way a video or pictures can make the view justice, but wow, I'm gonna try and share it anyway. At least for ourselves to remember.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Giving this one last try.
We have now continued on to the Cedar Ridge hike.
Have a reason, never even had a rhyme. Take a drive, take a trip, watch the mountains that we built between us split.
We just hiked down to Cedar Ridge Point, and we are the only ones here.
I'm singing out.
Another sound, just a little bit of wind. Isn't it fucking cool?
It's absolutely amazing.
Not a single person besides Benjamin and I. I would never have guessed that. Never, ever, ever in a million years.
It's fantastic.
I'm singing out.
So what do you think of the view?
It's decent. Oh, it's fantastic. Like, gorgeous.
Little jokester there. Fooling us all.
We did it.
Not tough at all, walking up. Easy.
But was it worth it?
It was worth it. I think it was worth it. Once again, Benjamin got a great idea. Wanna explain?
Wow, the bus wasn't there yet, so 1.3 kilometers to the next bus stop.
Yeah.
Might as well walk there and then catch the next bus.
Yeah, what's it called? Pipe Creek
Pipe
Vista?
Creek Vista?
Yeah. Well,
It's
we're
along
just...
it's along the rim, so we'll get some nice views.
And we were just down there. None of us have seen an elk before, and there's 3 just in front of us, or between us. This is so cool. We actually talked about it on the way here. if we were gonna be so lucky to see some.
Hey there.
Hello.
So, how do you find Grand Canyon?
Bigger than I expected. Much more beautiful and way less people. It's so quiet. It's stunning. A lot of wildlife. We've seen some pretty cool stuff, and I definitely recommend it. Definitely do, yeah.
We're lucky just to be alive. Another day we get to open our eyes and live like it's the first time. So let's live it right. Come on, let's live.
Unfortunately, Bedrock City was closed when we were there.
I feel it in my chest. My heart is beating. I wanna take it all in, 'cause nothing's better than this. Nothing's better than this.
So this year at Route 66 at our very first diner experience together at Goldie's, having a little lunch. So how's the first bite?
Very good. Very hungry.
Just had a bacon cheeseburger at Goldie's. The burger itself was okay, but the fries was absolutely amazing. Didi got the normal hand-cut fries, and I got the sweet potato. Both of them absolutely fantastic. Definitely recommend.
This saloon is known for having $1 bills all over the place. It's pretty cool.
On our way back to Phoenix from Grand Canyon, we decided to check out Williams and Seligman, which both are famous Route 66 towns. This year marks the Route 66 Centennial, so what better time to visit?
Follow me out across the open road, we'll make it right. I don't know where I'm headed, but I know
People putting themselves to jail.
on down the road. Those days.
People who know my family and I knows that we are kind of big Disney nerds and have seen more or less every movie out there. We really like cars, the movie, so being in Seligman and seeing where Radiator Springs is inspired from was very awesome. I was probably a bit more excited than Benjamin, although we both found the experience very fun. Definitely a lot of photo opportunities.
Searching for a sign, someone out there to lend a hand. I don't know where I'm headed, but I know I'll find a way. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I'm taking off down the road. I'm taking off down the road. I'm taking off down.
Pretty cool restroom, isn't it? And if you're less shy, I guess.
Så her var så en milkshake.
So, sir, let me know what milkshake you got.
Got a chocolate milkshake with chocolate chips. And what did you get?
I got the birthday cake, 100th anniversary birthday cake milkshake.
Ooh.
It's gonna be sweet, I think. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's actually really good. Okay.
With all I've seen, I don't know where I'm headed, but I know I'm bound.
And now it's all about getting ready for the PCT. Honestly, I'm a little overwhelmed. All the good stuff happening, but a lot of things are happening. I think Benjamin is keeping more calm as usual, but yeah, we're ready for the PCT. Just have to do a lot of stuff before.
Thank you guys so much for watching and tagging along on this crazy daring adventure of ours.
Yeah, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments or elsewhere. We really love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much.